What if I told you a computer can compose music better than humans? Welcome to the world of AI music. Fact 1. AI can create full songs from scratch. Just type a few words like sad piano or party vibe, and AI generates lyrics, melody, and even vocals instantly. Fact 2. AI learns from thousands of songs. It studies patterns, beats, and styles, so it can create music similar to your favorite artists without copying them directly. Fact 3. You don't need to be a musician anymore. With AI tools, anyone can make professional-level music, even if you've never touched an instrument. Fact 4. AI music is already used in films and games. Background scores, sound effects, and even theme music are now being generated using AI. Fact 5. But there's a big debate. Some people believe AI could replace musicians, while others say it's just a tool to enhance creativity. So, is AI the future of music or a threat to real artists? Tell us what you think in the comments. And don't forget to follow for more crazy facts.